Hello folks, Waz here from B&B. What have we got today? Sorry for the unshaven look. Just too busy, haven't got time to shave. What are we doing to this car? Right, customer loves this car. Wanted Apple CarPlay. Couldn't really get it done. Didn't want to change the radio because he wants to keep it original. Does he chop this in and another 50 grand just to get Apple CarPlay? Or does he come to us and we add Apple CarPlay plus front and rear camera? Okay, so let me walk up to the car. Okay, so here's the radio. You go into aux, press the return button, and we've now got Apple CarPlay working through the phone. Full touchscreen. I can change it like that. Click there. Usual Apple CarPlay stuff. I've done enough videos so you know how all this stuff works. Car is like factory. If I put it into reverse, there's my rear camera. I've got moving guidelines and I've got PDC overlay. Sorry for the flicker, we've just got high intensity LED lights that make it look like that. Come out of reverse, I've got the front camera now, which is on for 11 seconds, which will then eventually turn off as we move. Once I come out, go into park, I go back to the radio. Now if I want the front camera on just for some reason longer than 11 seconds, just hold the button down and there's the front camera. Hold the button down again when we're back into the Porsche PCM, hold it again and we're into Apple CarPlay. Great bit of product at a fraction of a cost and brings this older Porsche with the same tech as pretty much a new Porsche, and you got 50 odd grand in the bank. Great, get in touch with Waz, B&B Audioconcepts. You know the number by now, but if you don't, 02920 707 275. Pretty much anything you want we can do. Thank you.